let's look at them. So the first one uses raise with the string try again. This is not an exception. So it won't raise that error, but it will raise an exception because this is invalid code. Any invalid code raises some kind of exception. And what this raises is a type error, which gets handled by this handler, which raises a zero division error with the string raise a ruckus, which then gets handled by the outer try by this handler, which prints out that string. For the second one, well, this is an exception. So the raise could work with just that, but we're adding 3 to it. Exceptions don't have a plus operation. So that's going to produce a type error, which will get handled here. That's going to raise a zero division error, which is also going to print raise a ruckus. That's distinct from the third example, where we're going to print raise. Now we're going to call raise with IO error, passing in A. So that's a valid raise. It's going to raise the IO error exception. That's not a type error, so it won't be handled by this exception handler, but it is an exception, so it will be handled by this one, which raises a type error, which is the value of the string associated with that exception, which is A, and ruckus. And that gets handled by this handler, which prints out a ruckus, and we already printed out the raise here. So this one also prints out raise a ruckus. Part of what this example illustrates is how convoluted exceptions can make your code. So please, please, please don't ever actually write code like this unless you're trying to confuse someone. And usually when you're writing code, you shouldn't be trying to confuse people.